Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countifs with multiple criteria in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data and here I used multiple criteria year and product to use the Countifs functions. So let's start how it's done. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Countif. So I select here the Countifs and the first is criteria range 1. So here two criteria, year and product. The criteria 1 is year, criteria 2 is a product. So the first option here, we need to select criteria range 1. It means criteria 1 range. It means year range. So year range is a here. So simply select itself. Use the shortcut key shift control down arrow to select the entire column of year. The criteria range 1. After that, use the comma. Then criteria 1 is here. Okay, year 2023. Use the comma. Then criteria 2 range. Okay, criteria range 2. Criteria 2 is a product. Product range is a product column. Simply select itself. Use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column of range criteria 2. Use the comma. Then select the criteria 2 is a product. Okay. So here is not showing the product name. So you can just select the this cell, then use the down arrow to select the below cell. Okay, you can see G5 is a selected, 5 is a row number, G is a column. Then bracket closed. Okay, here we are going to count the data. Those are matched with the 2023 year, means 2023 year with the t-shirt product. So I just enter. So 30 count of this product. If you want to cross check, just simply select the cell and use here the filter. Shift Control Alt. So apply here the filter. Then I select here 2023. Okay. Then in this I select the t-shirts. Okay, I just drag and I select the t-shirt and click on. And these are the 30 count. So I select the first cell, shift control down arrow, and the count is 30. You see, it means it's calculated correctly. Okay, with the multiple criteria, you can use the count X. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.